Right, quick overview for the C8 topic, testing for common gases. There's 4 that you need to learn. Testing for chlorine, oxygen, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. The test for chlorine gas, if you've got a reaction that produces a gas and you don't know what it is and you want to test if it's chlorine, then you can take a piece of litmus paper. You need to make sure that it's damp, so you're just going to soak it in some distilled water. And if you place that over the gas that's being produced, either in a conical flask or a beaker, whatever it might be, the blue litmus paper will be bleached white. It may go slightly red to start with because the chloride ions was slightly acidic, but it will eventually turn white, and that's your test. So damp litmus paper, and that gets bleached. For oxygen, you've got a reaction that produces the gas again. You want to see if it's oxygen. You're going to let that build up inside your boiling tube this time, and you're going to take one of those wooden sticks that we use to light the Bunsen burners. It's called a splint. You're going to light the end of it, then blow it out so it starts to glow, and then you place that into your gas that you think is oxygen, and if it relights again, then you've got oxygen gas. The test for hydrogen, similar process. We've got a gas, we want to see if it's hydrogen. This time we're going to take our splint, but we're going to keep it lit. We're not going to blow it out. We're going to place the flame into where we think the reaction, where the hydrogen is, and we're going to listen for a squeaky popping sound. All right, once we get that squeak pop, we know that that is the test for hydrogen. And in the reaction, we also make some water that is produced. So you can sometimes see some water building up on the inside of the boiling tube. And finally, the test for carbon dioxide gas. You've got a reaction that produces carbon dioxide. We're going to allow the carbon dioxide to pass up through a delivery tube. And that's going to be placed into a test tube with some lime water in it. The lime water will be colourless to start with, and then it will eventually form a white precipitate, turning cloudy in the presence of carbon dioxide. And they're your 4 tests for the 4 gases.